Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by defining the fields you need and why each matters. This prevents messy data later. Name columns clearly, ID, date, category, value, notes, and set expected types so Excel validates entries. Once done, format the top row as headers and freeze panes so headers stay visible while you enter many rows. Make sure column names use consistent casing and no special characters. That helps with later filters and imports. Begin entering a small sample of 10-20 rows to test the layout. Next, focus on consistent data entry by applying data validation rules for categories and date ranges so errors are reduced. This enforces the how and why of clean inputs. Format columns appropriately, date format for dates, currency for monetary values, number for counts, because formatting affects sorting and calculations. Convert the range into an Excel table to gain filters, header repeat, and structured formulas. As you add rows, watch for mismatched types and use search or conditional formatting to highlight anomalies for quick correction. Finally, clean and secure your dataset before sharing. Run remove duplicates, trim whitespace, and use text to columns to split combined fields. This resolves common inconsistencies. Save a master workbook and a dated version copy, and export a CSV when systems need plain text. Make sure to document column definitions in a README sheet inside the workbook for future users. If you encounter persistent errors, first inspect data validation and cell formats. Often mismatched formats or hidden characters are the root cause and easy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.